Let us discuss about the equivalent decimals. The decimals that name the same amount are called equivalent decimals. For example, we are taking 0.6 is equal to 0.60 equal to 0.600 equal to so on. These all are equivalent decimals. The amount is same. 0.6 means that is we can write it as 6 by 10. Why? Because the decimal point after one digit is there. It is equal to, in the second case, point 0.60 means point after two decimals are two digits are there. So we can write 60 by 100. It is equal to point after three digits are there. We can write 600 by 1000. Here, eliminating the decimal point means after the decimal point, how many digits are there, we count it and write in the denominator one after such number of zeros. Just you can simplify it, write in the simplest form. 1 0 get cancelled. That is nothing but 10 6 10, 10 100. 100 6 100 10 1000. That is nothing but these two zeros are get cancelled. We are getting the same number 6 by 10, 6 by 10, 6 by 10. That is the meaning. Decimals that name the same amount are called equivalent decimals. These are equivalent decimals. Just point after one digit, non-zero digit is there. The non-zero digit after we can write some zeros that indicates the simplest form to single digit only, that is 0.6. These are equivalent decimals. Why? Because we can convert the decimal point after two digits, decimal point after three digits, then we can write in the fraction form and convert into simplest form. You are getting the same number. Such decimals are called as the equivalent decimals. Okay.
Yeah.
If they are asking the like decimals, unlike decimals, here by seeing of this, these are unlike decimals. Okay. Like decimals means point after how many digits are there. That is nothing but, here we are discussing the unlike decimals. Unlike decimals means the point after non-zero digits are different. Suppose 1.2 is the one decimal, 1.21 is the another decimal point, decimal number, 1.212 is the another decimal point, decimal number. Here point after one digit is there, here point after two digits are there, here point
Ma'am, I
after.
did not understand.
Just you listen, after that you will get. First of all, it's not understand. Nobody can understand. Listen carefully, then you can get the answer, get the idea. Here, unlike decimals means these are in unlike form. If like fractions, unlike fractions. Like fractions means the denominators are having the same number. Such fractions are called like fractions. If the denominators are having the different numbers which are in simplest form, such fractions are unlike fractions. Here, the name, you observe the name, unlike decimals. Decimals means decimal point is there in between of the digits. That is one after or two digits after, three digits after, whatever the thing. See here, 1.2. I am taking one example, 1.2. Here, point after only one digit is there. Decimal point after only one digit is there in the first example. In the second, 1.21 means point, decimal point after two digits are there. Decimal point after three digits are there, 2, 1, 2. So just you concentrate on the number 1, 2, 3. These are different. Such decimals are called as unlike decimals. The like decimals means decimal point after the number of digits are same in each and every decimal number. For example, I am taking 1.75 is the one number. 2.32 is the another number. 8.08 is the another number. Just so you can observe the decimal point after how many digits are there? 2 non-zero digits. Decimal point after how many digits are there? 2 digits. Decimal point after how many digits are there? 2 digits. So such type of the decimal numbers are called like decimals. Just you keep on concentrate after the decimal point how many digits are there. If the number is same for each and every decimal number, then such decimal numbers are like decimals. After the decimal point, the decimal number, the digits numbers are different, then such decimals are called as unlike decimals. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
For example, unlike decimals can convert into like decimals. How we can convert? Here I am taking example is 1.2, 1.21, 1.212. These are unlike decimals. These unlike decimals are convert into like decimals means just you keep on concentrate decimal point after the digits are same. You write in that. The before example, equivalent decimal. Equivalent decimals means point after 6 is there. 6 after 0 is there. 6 after 2 zeros are there. These all are equivalent decimals. Then we can convert unlike decimals to like decimals means 1.200 is 1.210, 1.212. These three decimals are like decimals. Now these are like decimals. Why? Because now you can count it. After decimal point, how many digits are there? 3 digits are there. After decimal point, how many digits are there? 3 digits are there. After decimal point, how many digits are there? 3 digits are there. So the conversion of unlike decimals to like decimals means if the less number is there after decimal point, just you keep a 0. How many you want after the decimal point, the digits, such zeros you can write it. Here only 1 is there. We can make into 3 means put 2 zeros. Here 2 are there. We make into 3 means put 1 0. Here 3 are there. Just we write the same as it is. So such decimals unlike to like, keeping the zeros. Okay. This is the unlike decimals, like decimals. Unlike decimals convert into like decimals. Okay. Convert 4.8, 2.25 and 0.893 to like decimals. Now, first of all, write what they have given the decimal numbers. 4.8 is one, 2.25 is the second one, third one is 0.893. This you can count it. After the decimal point, only here one digit is there. Here after the decimal point, 2 digits are there. After the decimal point, 3 digits are there. The bigger number is 3 digits after the decimal point. So we can make into convert 3 digits after the decimal point. So for that, we write the third one as it is 0.893. If it is 2.250, write into equivalent decimal and it is 4.800. This 4.8 is equal to 4.800 is the equivalent. 2.25 is equal to 2.250. 0.893 is 0.893. Now you can see here, After the decimal point, how many digits are there? 3 digits. Here also 3 digits. Here also 3 digits. Therefore, like decimals are 4.800, 2.250, 0.893. This is the conversion of the unlike decimal to like decimal. The one more example I am saying here. Take 6.8, 7.83, 12.040. Here, just you concentrate. After the decimal point, how many digits are there? The maximum number is 3. So we can convert into like decimals. Like decimals means, for the like decimal, 6.8 equivalent fraction for 3 digits is 6.8. Take the right end 2 digits, 2 zeros as digits. And 7 point here 2 digits are there, put right end 1 0. Third one is 12.040. Now you observe, after decimal point 3 digits are there, 3 digits are there, 3 digits are there. The third question, 0.9, 12.825, 1.5, 6.83. Here we can observe 4 numbers are there. In this, maximum number is 3. So we can make into like fractions. The right hand side, how many we require? We take such zeros. 0.920 zeros for 3 digits. 12.825. Here decimal point after 1 digit there. So we write 5 after 2 zeros in the right end. Next, 6.830. This is the conversion of the unlike decimal to like decimal. Comparing and ordering decimals. We must and should follow the rules. Okay. The first step, whatever the number, we can convert into like decimals. Okay. Like decimals. First step is convert into like decimals. The second step, first compare the whole number part. Like decimals means, for example, here I am taking the example. Example is 4.712 and 4.73. Next, compare whole number part. Whole number part means before the decimal point is the whole number. Okay, we compare that. If the 4 and 4 in these two numbers, the number is the whole number part is same. So it's over. If, for example, 4.712 is there, another one is 3.172 is there. In that case, we compare the whole part means here 4 and 3 is there. 4 is the bigger number, so it is greater. Okay, like that. The number with the greater whole number part is greater. If here whole number part is greater in the second case, so the 4.712 is greater. Okay. In the first example, the whole parts are same. Whole number parts are same. In such case, go for the third step. The third step is, if the whole number parts are the same, compare the tenths part. Compare the tenths digit or tenths part, not tenths digit. Okay, compare the tenths digit. Here we are comparing in the first example 7 and 7 is the tenths digit. Again, the tens digit is same. Then go for the fourth step. If the tens digit is same, then compare the hundredths digit. Hundredths digit. Now we can go that hundredths digit is 1 here, 3 is here. Which one is greater, then that number is greater. If in the fourth step, if the hundredths digit is also same, then go for thousandths digit. That is the rule. That is the process to compare the ordering decimals. Comparing the decimals or ordering the decimals. First, we write the like decimals. Then we compare the whole part. If the whole parts are same, then go for the tenths digit. If the tenths digits are same, then go for the hundredths digit. If the hundredths digits are same, then go for the thousandths digit. If are not same, if the whole parts are not same, which one is greater, we can put that number is greater. If the tenths digit, when we can compare the tenths digit, which one is greater, that number is greater. If the tenths digit is same, go for the hundredths digit. Which one is greater? We can write that number is greater. Okay. Now I am going to discuss some problems. Okay. Here, the first question is 5.26-5.62. The second one is 53.4, 53.40. Third one, 4.153, 4.2. Fourth one, 0.008, 0.0008. Fifth one, 0.6, 0.006. Sixth one, 4.625, 4.713. Compare and ordering the decimals. Here first step is compare the whole part. If it is the like decimals, then these two are like decimals. Why? Because decimal point after 2 digits, after 2 digits. Okay. So first we can check the second step, that is whole part. Here whole part is same. Next check the tenths digit. Tenths digit. Which one is greater? 6 is greater. So this number is greater. In the second case, this is not a like fraction. It is an unlike fraction, unlike decimal. First, we can make into like decimal. Like decimal means we can keep here 0. Then it convert into like decimal. Okay, it is 53.40, 53.40, both should be equal. When which one is unlike, then first of all convert into like. Next here 4.153 is there. Here 3 digits are there. Here we can put 2 zeros. Then this is the conversion of the like fraction, like decimal, sorry. It is a conversion of the like decimal. First we can convert into like decimal. Then after the conversion of like decimal, we can check the whole part. Whole part is 4, same is there. Next check the tenths digit. Here 1 is there, here 2 is there. So simply 4.2 is the bigger number. Here we can convert into like decimal. Here point after 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 1, 2, 3, make into like fraction. Now we can compare. Whole part is same, tenths digit is same, hundredths digit is same, thousandth digit is not same. 8 is bigger, so this is bigger. Next here 0.006, it's a 3 digits. Make into like decimal. 0.6 after right and put 2 zeros, then it is convert into like decimal. So now whole part is 0, 0 same. Next 10th digit is here 6 is there, here 0 is. 6 is greater, so it is greater. Here like decimal 4.625, 4.713. 3 digits, 3 digits. So compare whole part same. 10th digit is here 6, here 7. 7 is greater. This is greater. This is the way the comparing of two decimals. Write in order. Exercise questions here. State whether the following statements are true or false. Here we can compare the decimals. Here first we can compare like fractions or unlike fractions. It's a 4 here decimal point after 2 digits, it's like fraction. First compare the whole number, it's fine. 10th digit is 4, 4, okay. Next 100th digit is 5, 2, it's true. Why? Because 5 is greater value. Next here second question 9.7, here 9.69. 2 digits are there, make into like decimal. Put 7 after 0, then it convert into like decimal. Next whole part 9, 9 same point. 10th digit is here 7, here 6, 7 is greater, but here this is 6 is greater, like that is they have given, so it's false. Next third question 0.252, 0.343, 3 digit. Decimal point after 3 digits, it's okay. Decimal after here 2 is there, here 3 is there, 10th digit. 3 is greater, so it's true. Here 3.305, 3.503, both are like decimals. Decimal whole part is same. 10th digit is 5 is greater. Actually, that is false. 5 is greater, but the symbol is less. We get less symbol, but they have given greater symbol. Next, 11.999 make into like decimal 12.000. Then convert the whole, first compare the whole number 11, 12. 12 is greater, but this is wrong, false. 2.35 is greater than 3.05. It is a like decimal. Compare the whole part. 2 is less, 3 is greater, but they have given 2 is greater, so it's also false. This is the thing. Second question, rewrite the given decimals in increasing order. Increasing order means small to big. Okay, here first we can write the like fraction, like decimals 0.13, 0.31, 0.30. Here like decimals after we can compare the whole number. In this all whole numbers are same. Then compare the 10th digit. Here 1 is there, here 3, 3. These two numbers 3, 1 is the smaller number. So we write first 5.13. Then here the another two numbers having the same. Then we compare the 100th digit. Here 0 is there, here 1 is there. So first write 30, then write 5.31. This is the increasing order. Here also. Second question 7.2, 0.727. First write into like decimal. Here point after 2 digits are there, make into 2 digits. Here 7 means the whole number is converted into decimal number 7.00. First we can compare the whole part. Here 0 is there. So the smaller number is 0.72. Then compare the other two numbers whole part. Both are same. Then compare the 10th digit. Here 0 is there, here 2 is there. So 7.00 is the next number. Then 7.20 is the bigger number. Here third one, 10.003. 3 digits are there. Here decimal point after 3 digits. Here decimal point after 2 only, make into like decimal. Then check the or compare the whole part. Here 0 is there. So first 0.103 will come. Next increasing number is 1.030. Next increasing number is 10.003. Write in order, 0 after 1, 1 after 10. Then the fourth one, 60.060, 60.000, 60.60, make into like decimal. Put right end 10. Here compare the whole part, 60, 60, 60, same. Next compare the 10th digit. Here 0, here 0 is there. It is 6, it's greater number. So into numbers, 10th digit is same. Then go for the 100th digit. Here 6 is there, here 0 is there. 0 is smaller. So write first 60.000. Next smaller is 60.060. Next bigger is 60.60 or 600. Fifth one, 6.303, 6.033, 5.330, 5.331. First, we compare the whole part, 5, 5. These two are smaller, comparatively 6. Next, 10th digit, 100th digits are same. Go for the 1000th digit. Here 0 is there, here 1 is there. Smaller is 5.330. Next number is 5.331. So these two numbers are related with the 5 whole part. The other two numbers are 6 whole part. Then compare the 10th digit. 10th digit is here 3, here 0. 0 is smaller. So write 6.033, then 6.303. This is the increasing order. Next, sixth one, 0.009, 0.901, 0.109, 0.910. All are like decimals. Here whole part is same, 0 only. Next, 10th digit is here 0, here 9, here 1, here 9. So 10th digit is smaller, is 0.009. Next smaller is, next bigger, comparatively 0, greater number is 1, 0.109. Next is 10th digit is 9, both are same. Then go for the 100th digit, 0, here 1. So 0 is smaller, 0.901, 0.910. Okay. Okay, this is for your homework.